Okay, welcome to Roasted Academy. Today, let's talk about a cell. So, we'll discuss the cell, what is a cell, and also what organelles are found in the cell and what functions they do play. So, everything we discuss them from cellular level point of view, meaning that the definition of a cell, it's simply that a cell is a basic unit of a living thing. So everything starts from a cell. We as humans, we start from a cell. That's the I can say the unique part about a cell, right? Including even drugs for pharmacology. We deal with them from cellular point of view. We say we inhibit this and the like and everything. It's at a cellular level. So cells grouped together will form tissues. Tissues grouped together will form an organ. Organ system. Organ system all the way up to an organism, forming you and me today, right? So let's discuss the different parts that we have. Of course, we have to start with the cell membrane. The cell membrane is responsible for separating the extracellular fluids with the intracellular fluid. So basically, all the things that have to come, they have to pass through the cell membrane. Okay. So let's go to the ribosomes. So I'm moving from here, right? Ribosomes here. Ribosomes. This is where protein synthesis takes place from on a cell. Very important for proteins. Proteins are very important because we've got very important proteins. For instance, insulin. Okay, it's made up of amino acids. So we can't really function without proteins because enzymes are protein in nature. And for instance, we can talk about enzymes that function in glycolysis. Those are proteins in nature. So we need proteins for our survival. Okay. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which synthesizes fatty lipids and plays an important role in detoxification. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Here we also have some ribosomes which are located there, here, in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Can also be used for transportation of proteins. The cell membrane, this is the one that I was saying, controls the exchange of materials inside and outside of the cells. So for the things to enter into the inside of the cell, they have to pass through the cell membrane, right? We have the cytosol. Okay, this one can also be known as the cytoplasmic reticulum. That's the cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm. Intracellular gel fluid like material where many chemical reactions will occur. So basically all the reactions are going to occur from here. Most of the reactions, many. Okay. Yeah, of course we've got some certain reactions that are going to occur in the mitochondria. Okay, for instance, the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex will occur in the mitochondria there. The flagellum, which is responsible for locomotion, propelling, okay, for propelling point of view. Mitochondria, which is the powerhouse. We call it the powerhouse of the cell. But for us, we have to stick to saying that this is where oxidative phosphorylation is going to take place from. This is where ATP production is going to take place from after we have oxidized our glucose to pyruvate to acetyl-CoA to the citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle, we've got those reduced forms of NAD and fat that are going to be taken to the electron transport chain for the energy generation. And what we see is that the cell membrane, the mitochondria is made up of two. Okay, the inner cell membrane as well as the outer cell membrane. The electron transport chain is located in the inner mitochondria membrane. That's where it is located, right? And that's what we're going to see for the formation of energy for the mitochondria. We have got lysozymes which break down molecules that enter the cell. Centrioles, these are important for cell division. Centrioles. Cytoskeleton, this is more or less like providing structure for the organization of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA, controls cellular activity, plays a very important role in hereditary. So DNA is simply the overall boss, right? It's the one that controls everything that is taking place in the cell. Okay, so no wonder we have to activate the DNA for everything to take place. Okay, like transcription to take place, mRNA comes in, mRNA we synthesize proteins, different types of proteins and the like. This is performed by the DNA. DNA is the one that's going to control everything like this. Nucleolus, which produces ribosomal proteins, then the nuclear membrane, which has got pores, right? mRNA is going to live through these pores. Golgi apparatus, which modifies and distributes secretory products. Secretory granules as well, right? Thank you so much for watching.